Ever wonder how some people seem to have a knack for saving money? What if it's not just a knack or a talent, but a series of good habits and practical steps that anyone can adopt? Today, we're diving into the world of money-saving tips that are simple, effective, and most importantly, doable for everyone. Start by understanding where your money goes. It's easy to swipe a card or click a button, but do you know what you're spending on? Track your expenses for a month. Write down every penny spent and categorize these expenses. You'll be surprised where some of your money goes. Next, consider needs versus wants. Yes, that new gadget seems like it will change your life, but will it really? Or is it just a want masquerading as a need? By honestly assessing your purchases, you can cut down on unnecessary spending. Remember the power of small changes. Saving money doesn't mean you have to drastically change your lifestyle. It can be as simple as brewing your own coffee instead of buying, or walking short distances instead of using public transport. These little changes can add up to big savings over time. Another tip is to automate your savings. Set up a direct debit to move a certain amount from your checking account to your savings account every month. It's easier to save when you don't have to think about it. It's also important to get into the habit of comparing prices before making a purchase. Whether it's groceries, clothing, or electronics, taking a few extra minutes to compare prices can save you a significant amount of money. And don't forget about the power of delayed gratification. It might be tempting to buy something on impulse, but waiting a few days can often result in a change of mind, saving you from an unnecessary purchase. Finally, remember that saving money is not about deprivation. It's about making smart choices and realizing that every dollar saved is a dollar earned. It's about understanding the value of money and using it wisely. So why not start today? Take control of your finances. Understand where your money goes. Distinguish between needs and wants. Make small changes. Automate your savings. Compare prices. Delay gratification. And remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Saving money might seem daunting at first, but it's not about making huge changes overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards a more secure financial future. And with these tips, that future is within reach for everyone. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about having more money. It's about having more choices, more freedom, and more peace of mind. And who wouldn't want that? So start your journey towards financial freedom today. After all, the best time to start is now.